Good morning. In today's class of DLED second year, subject Pedagogy of English. Today, our topic of learning is, in the last class we have seen or learned about listening, how the listening skill can be developed in students. In today's class, we will see the different programs for improving the skill of listening. Proposed programs for improving the skill of listening. प्रोग्राम्स जिनके द्वारा हम इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स के अंदर उनकी सुनने के कौशल को। किस प्रकार विभिन्न प्रोग्राम्स द्वारा, विभिन्न एक्टिविटीज द्वारा, विभिन्न ग्रुप एक्टिविटीज द्वारा या different kinds of activities by a teacher in a class or with the help of students, how a teacher can improve the skill of listening in students. So today we will see the proposed program for improving the skill of listening. In this first term, simple songs. Simple songs. A teacher, an English teacher in a class can sing different simple songs in the classroom so that the students will listen attentively and try to imitate them or follow them as the teacher has sing that particular song. So they try to imitate the teacher by singing the same song in the classroom, and the teacher can ask the students to stand and recite or sing that song one by one. So in this way, by singing simple songs in the classroom, the listening ability or listening skill of the students can be improved. Second comes simple poems and rhymes. Simple poems and rhymes. Even by simple poems and rhymes. Simple poems and rhymes are also like songs only. Before starting a lesson or before teaching a lesson, the teacher can recite a poem or a line in the class and ask the students to listen to it carefully and try to imitate it and try to learn the meaning of that poem or words or that rhyme. So in this way also listening skill can be improved in the students. Third thing comes reading by the teacher. Reading by the teacher. So in the class, when the teacher is teaching a lesson or a chapter, she reads a passage with a correct pronunciation, with a correct stress, with correct intonation and correct rhythm, so that the student also follows the same thing while reading that or by reading the passage. So by this also, by this kind of reading, or we can say model reading, the listening ability or the listening skill of the students can be improved to a certain extent. Fourth one, group activities. Group activities. The teacher of English can divide the class into different groups and ask them, and by providing a topic or giving a problem or asking them a question to discuss about that topic, the children will learn the listening skill or improve their listening skill by hearing and listening. After that comes language groups. Through the activities of language games, the listening skill of the students can be improved. The teacher can ask or can give a word and ask them to give another word with the spelling or with a letter ending with that same word, and the student can give another word. This way, the language can also help in the classroom to the students to improve their listening skills. After that comes interesting stories. The listening stories or interesting stories, sorry. Interesting stories. A teacher of English, while teaching in the class, can tell them or tell the students different stories, different short stories, so that they listen to them, listen to the teacher, and hear, listen and hear with careful attention, and can improve their listening skills. So, by telling interesting stories in the classroom, a teacher can improve the listening skill of the students. After that comes dialogues. A teacher of English can create different conditions or situations in a class as a market conditions or any type of condition where the children can get the chance to participate and to speak on certain topic, so that the listening skill and hearing skill of the students can be developed. After that comes discussion. After that comes discussion. So, a teacher in a class can organize the activity on any topic, or by providing a problem to the students and dividing them into a group and ask them to discuss their problem on that topic. So, by this method also, or by this activity also, the listening skill of the students will be improved. After that comes debate, drama, and short plays. So, by organizing or creating or by the activity of debate, drama, and short plays, a teacher can improve the listening skill of the student in the classroom. So, the teacher can ask the students and can make the student to do different roles or to play different roles in the classroom by organizing short plays in the classroom. So, today we have seen this different kinds of proposed program by which the listening and the hearing skill of the students can be improved. Once the listening and the hearing skill of the student will improve, automatically the student will grasp the meaning of the spoken or the uttered words or sentences. So, with the help of listening, the student will automatically start grasping the meaning of the uttered words. So, today we have seen the various programs through which the listening skill can be improved. Listening skill can be improved. Teaching it that helps in improving the teaching aids that help in listening. Improving the listening skills are gramophone, or we can say lingophone. Second one is tape recorder, radio, are the teaching aids. By utilizing it in the classroom, the teacher can improve the listening skills of the students. First one is ringer form of gramophone. This is a system of sound in which a record is displayed and which contains the sounds, words, and sentence structure which are repeated as many times as wanted so that the children will listen to it and correct their pronunciations according to it. And tape recorder. Even in a tape recorder, a teacher of English can record various programs, various poems, words, sentence structures, and display in the class or present it in the class, and it can be played as many times as desired by the teacher or the students. It can be played and it can be repeated as many times so that the children can improve their listening skills and make correction in their speaking also. Radio, it is also a teaching aid which can be utilized in the classroom for presenting certain matters or linguistic matters by hearing which students can develop their listening skills. Television is also an audio visual aid which can be utilized in the classroom by the teacher of English through which the listening skills of the students can be developed. So today we have seen various programs and the teaching aid through which the listening skills of the students can be improved. So today I will stop my class here only and see you in the next class. So today's your home assignment is write a short note on listening improving programs. So for today your home assignment is write a short note on listening improving programs. Today I will stop my class here only. Always stay at home, as you know that COVID-19 is spreading. So wear a mask whenever you are out of your home. Till then,